So we're here in front of the Government Center today for this Slow Down to Get Around kickoff campaign. And we have come up with a plan where we're going to have a trash truck out here all week from 10 to 2 and just allow employees and the public to come up and see what we're doing, talk a little bit about the law. It's House Bill 1649. It was written up last year and passed, signed by the governor last year. It's called the Slow Down to Get Around law, and it's all about protecting these workers on the back of trash trucks. So this is all about making people aware of these workers and drive cautiously, much like we would with roadside workers and school buses and those kinds of things.
Thank you all for coming out today. It really is a great day to celebrate this program and the partnership that's behind it. And it's really great that the idea for today came from our workers, our employees. And
there are a lot of workers who are hit every year across the country. It's the 5th most dangerous industry in the country. So we're seeing a lot of people hurt, a lot of people injured, and a lot of it's due to distracted driving, people just not paying attention, not being aware of these guys.
These hard-working men and women have a very tough job. They pick up our waste and recyclables every single day, but they face serious hazards, and they're at risk of injury or worse due to inconsiderate or distracted drivers.
We've got new uniforms for the workers that are more high-vis than ever before. And we've got new lighting systems on the vehicle that are going to draw attention to the vehicle like you've never seen before. This is good for the county because it's really going to get the message out to the residents of the county about the worker safety. We service 44,000 homes in the county, and it's really important that they understand and that our workers are getting the message too. They need to know that we're looking out for them, and the public needs to know that they're a partner with us in looking out for the safety of these workers.